Hey guys, Gabriel Adams here, and today I'm going to show you how to make subcategories in Gmail. So making subcategories in Gmail is a pretty straightforward task. Here I already have my Gmail window open in my Google Chrome, and over to the left you'll see the whole list of different categories that, for the most part, Google has already made for me. I made one myself called Work here, just so I can show you how to make a subcategory underneath that. So, to make a subcategory, all you need to do is scroll down and then you'll see manage labels and create new labels underneath the categories icon here. Go ahead and click on create new label, and let's go ahead and call this new work. There we go. And because this is a subcategory, I'm going to want to nest the label under, so I go ahead and check on that. And now I have to choose my parent. So I click on this, and as you can see, the only category that I've created so far is work, and that's the one I want to keep this one under. So go ahead and click on work and hit create. Now if I look over to my left, you can see my work category and then my new work subcategory right underneath it. Easy as that. So I am Gabriel Adams, and that is how you make a subcategory in Gmail.